Try 5 time here at Unique, especially in classics. And this one here has options on it. Let's check it out. 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air 2-door hardtop, factory AC car, power steering, power brakes. Yes, it's a true Bel Air VC, starting the VIN. 265 V8 underneath the hood, and it's suffix code FD. That'd be a 265 AC engine from 1955. So era correct engine. Take a look at the front grille, bumper, and look at some of the accessories. We're starting up here already. So you have your bumperettes or bumper guards, grill guard up front. Take a look at the chrome and the bright work. A little more modern headlight in it. So you're going to have a little more light on the road if you drive this at night at all. Original Onyx black car with beige and red vinyl and cloth interior, and we're going to get to all that here in just a little bit. First of all, 3-month 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price of this vehicle, and that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and you can call in at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pictures, over 100 pictures of this car on our website. Riding on the wide white wall, radials, of course the Chevy center caps. We have the, what were they officially called? Try 5 guys. Pebble guards, rock guards. If you know, comment down below in the comments below the video. Paint shows well in this car. It is black. You may find an imperfection. I'll show you one in the back. I did notice it. Nothing real major. Take a look down this passenger side. You can see nice reflection, good shine in that paint. The bright work lines up nicely. You can see that throughout. It's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches in the bright work either. Take a look at how this door fits. Nice body line, body gap there. Seat belts. Roll center armrest, the bench seat up front. There's your beige and red interior. And like I said, we'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer here in a bit. On the rear of this, do have the bumperettes or bumper guards on the end, also Continental kit. There's also fender skirts that are going to go with this. Put those back in the trunk. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Wanted to mention something I noticed in the paint. Just a little bit of checking right there. You may have a couple little spots where there's been a little bit of a touch-up here or there. But overall, this one shows very well. Another thing to remember is we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. You want somebody to come take a look at this vehicle for you, report back. Maybe you can't make it yourself due to distance or time. Feel free to. You can also see the dual exhaust when you're looking at the rear of this car. Of course, trim piece here around the gas door to protect from fingernails. You're gonna have the same thing on the door handles. Take your time looking through those still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. Look at how straight these panels are. And again, how nice a shape that bright work is, how it lines up. And then the gap again, or seam in that door, nice and even. Let's come up to the front, take a look at bright work there. And you can see the paint. I mean, it has a nice shine reflection to it all the way to the front door of our showroom here at Unique. Great looking color combination on this. All right, power windows. Take a look at the door panels. So 585 paint code is the Onyx Black, and then 521 is the beige and red cloth vinyl combination. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Once you hear it run, we're going to check out the engine bay. Power glide instructions. Kind of cool to have in here. Tissue dispenser. Does have an aftermarket retro sound radio with with a great sounding stereo. You can see kick panel speakers and some in the rear deck also. Oh, let's take a look at this dash. Another option? How about in the comments? Let's hear it. Help me do my job. Have a little input. Take a look at the headliner. Wow. How that door closes. Slip around in the back. Nice sounding car. And let's move up to the front. I think I can get this hood open one-handed here. Let's check out this engine bay. I think it's going to look as good as the rest of the car. There it is, 265. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Does have the 4-barrel on it. How nice and clean and tidy this is, and how good that sounds. Does the battery disconnect when you're not driving or having storage? What a beauty. And very original to the way it would have been produced back in 1955. Chevrolet Bel Air 2-door hardtop factory AC car, highly optioned. And remember that 3-month 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and you can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1955 Chevrolet. Very nice looking car, very good condition. Both our turn signals are working. Beautiful black and chrome on the outside. Red and a cream color on the inside, of course with chrome accents. Our retro sound style radio in the dash. It's working well. Blower motor also working. Temperature is still showing cold. Hasn't had time to warm up yet. Fuel gauge just under half. This car has a nice smooth ride. Power glide automatic transmission. If I let go of the steering wheel, this car stays nice and straight, right where you put it in the lane. All 4 power windows working. Beautiful interior, great condition. No strange vibrations or shakes. Brakes work very well. This car fired up right away with the turn of the key. No fiddling with the throttle pedal or anything. Even comes with a compass on the dash. Very, very nice condition. 1955 Chevrolet. Take a look at all the pictures and read all the details at UniqueClassicCars.com.